Survival Seeds Collab 2024. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. So I'm really excited about this new collab I've joined. And here are the details. Look at this. So I'm happy to be joining the Survival Seeds collaboration of 2024. So I received my seeds in the mail from the Vineyard Chicks, one of the sponsors. They sent me these lovely little seed packets with a great assortment of what we're all going to grow in the collab. Waltham butternut squash, red kidney beans, Mariana tomato. It's an extra large Roma type. Very excited about this. Walla Walla onion. Don't know how I'll do with this. Not very good with onions, but we'll see. Detroit Supreme beet. And Italian pepperoncini peppers, which I'm also very excited about growing. And then Bushcraft family has an added herb tincture to this, and I have the oregano already growing, feverfew. I already have lemon balm, but I'm going to plant some more just in case. And then anise hyssop, which I have seed packets I have never grown. We're going to try that. It'll be exciting. So I'm really excited to be doing this collab. It came with this really cool instructions. Very well laid out. Excellent, excellent. Thank you, ladies. Anyway, I'm really excited to do these collabs. Please go out and check on the Vineyard Chicks Homestead, Bushcraft Family, and Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button.